Hi children, today we are doing a very interesting exercise. We are going to make new words. To make new words, we may need to add a single letter. So it's a very interesting exercise. A word will be given, you just add a letter and you get a completely a different word. Okay? Adding a letter to make new words. So we're going to have lots of new words, adding one letter, and I hope you will enjoy the exercise. Let's look at our first word that you will make. Curt. Here. What is this? Camel. Yes. Now we are going to have a word here. And then to that word we are going to add a letter. Look. What word is this? C-A-M-E. Came. No? She came. Good. Plus L. When you put this together, came plus L, will give you a new word. That's your camel. Yes. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Did you enjoy, children? Very interesting, isn't it? Spell camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Just a single letter we included in the word came. Yes. Let's take another picture. Here is another picture. What picture is this? Can you guess? Good. A tent. A toy tent. You like to live in a tent? Play in a tent with your brothers and sisters? So, now, what is this? T-E-N. What is that? 10. Number 10. T-E-N plus, and one letter we'll put down. Plus T. T-E-N-T. Tent. Yes. You get a new word. T-E-N-T. Tent. Did you enjoy? Good. Just adding a single letter, you got a new word from the 10 plus T. Tent. Let's look at another word. Here. What is this? Kite. Very good. What do you do with the kite? You fly it in the sky. Now, let's see what letter we're going to add to form the new word. Kit. What is kit? Bag full of little things, no? Kit. Yeah, small bag with little things inside. Plus. Kit plus E. What letter we adding? E. Kit plus E gives you totally a new word. That is K-I-T-E, kite. Kit plus E. One single letter we added and we get what is called kite. You make your own paper kites to fly in the sky. Yes? Let's look at another word. Are you enjoying forming new words? Good. Have you seen this animal? What's the name? Curt, goat. Now look at the word you get. Goa is a place. Yes? Plus. And we are going to add one single letter here to get the name of this animal. Plus T. Goa plus T. G-O-A-T. Goat. Interesting, isn't it? Are you enjoying? Spell goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. So we formed a new word. Are you enjoying building up new words? Adding on one letter? Good. Let's look at another. See what's given to you. Lady. Yes? Your mama or your teacher, whatever. Good. Look at the word. Lad. Who is a lad? Lad is a little boy. Yes? L-A-D. Lad plus. We add a single letter here. Lad plus. Y. We add a little, one single letter Y. That makes it lady. L-A-D-Y. Lady. Did you enjoy, children? Very interesting, isn't it? Good. Lad plus Y, lady. Good. Next, you have something here. Little baby is having a nice bubble bath. It's got a toy floating around here. Good. Let's look at the word bat. What's a bat? Use bat and ball you play in a bat. Bat plus letter H. Bath, bat plus H equal to bath. Bath, bath. You take a bath when you're dirty. After your play, you take a bath to clean yourself. So you formed a new word by adding this one letter H. You enjoyed spell bath, bath. Good. Let's take another picture. Look. Where you find lots of this in a bush, yeah, full of leaves. A bush is full of leaves, lots and lots, and you can hide behind. Bus, what is bus? You travel in the bus, yes? B-U-S, bus plus one letter. Bus plus H gives you the word bush. B-U-S-H, bush. Bus plus H gives you a completely new word, bush. B-U-S-H, bush. Good. Next, let's take another picture. What do you have here? Tiny fairies here. Who's a fairy? Yes, someone who blesses you, makes you into a beautiful child, clever child, lovely child. Look. Fair. F-A-I-R, fair. Plus Y. Fair plus Y is equal to, gives you a new word that is fairy. Spell F-A-I-R-Y, fairy. Fair plus Y gives you a new word, fairy. Spell fairy, F-A-I-R-Y. Let's go to another new word. Let's make another word. What is this here? You have a cart. You have a cart over here. Look at the word given to you. Car. What's a car? Your daddy has a car. You'll have to go in a car. Good. Car plus T. Car plus is equal to card. C-A-R-T. Card. A vehicle drawn by animals. That's called a cart. Car plus T, cart. Let's look at another picture. Okay, who is this? King. Can you see his crown? Can you see his cloak right at the back? Good. Now look at the word. Kin. Who is the kin? Your cousins. Call them kin. Yes. Kin plus kin plus G. What is that? Equal to a new word. K-I-N-G. King. And that's what this is. King. Kin plus G gives you a new, completely new word, king. K-I-N-G, king. Good. Let's look at another word now. Have you seen this? Yes, a little ant that always comes to bite you. There is sugar on the table. There you see ants crawling all about. Look at the word. An. An plus T. Good. And plus T is equal to completely a new word. A-N-T, ant. We'll never forget an ant because it bites you. Good. Let's look at another another picture, form a new word. What is it? Heart. Good. Heart. So let's for hear. Can you hear me? Hear. H-E-A-R. Here. Plus. Here. Plus. T is equal to a new word. Heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Here plus T gives you a word heart. H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Let's go to another picture. Make a new word. Who is this? A little brown hen. What did she give you? The little brown hen gives us eggs. Nice brown eggs. Nice yellow yolk inside. Good. He. Who is he? He's a boy. He. Plus N. He plus N equal to what? Hen. H-E-N. Hen. E plus N gives you completely new word, hen. Did you enjoy, children? Good. Let's take another word. Look at this. Rose. Rose flower, yes? What's the color of the rose flower? Pink, yes. Good. Pink color. Pin. What is pin? Pin that you can pin up your dress. Small pin. Plus K. Pin plus K. Pink. Pink color. This rose is pink in color. Pin plus K. Pink. Good. Are you enjoying, children? Good. Let's look at another new word. Look at this picture. We have two people here. Men. Two men over here. Let's see what the word we are going to make. Me. Plus. Me plus N. Men. M-E-N. Men. Me plus N gives you men. M-E-N. Men. Cut. Here's a little pet of yours. Your pet dog, isn't it? Curt. Let's look at the word. Do. Do you do your work? Yes. Do plus G gives you a new word. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. Your pet dog. Yes. D-O-G. Dog. Do plus G. Dog. Now, did you enjoy forming a new, completely new word by adding a single word letter? Good.